I made an order recently because I've been eyeing up these Bandai kits for a while, and I really wanted to see how they compared to other kits that I've been building. To start off, I saw that there is a YouTube series themed after these kits, and I assumed Bandai is just really trying to monopolize on the idea, but thinking about it, it's probably no different than the Frame Arms Girl anime. Speaking of the series, though, not that this is a review of it, but it was a ride. I was sure it was going to just be a quick laugh and I'd move on, and although there was some of those moments, it doesn't feel like this was phoned in. I genuinely enjoyed it for what it was. I'll try not to be spoilery, but basically the premise is girls are recruited into these dream death games by building these model kits, 'cause reasons. There are 4 commander ladies, whom just bark orders occasionally, and or look smug as fuck. Also, on the plastic mode transformation instances, I don't know if these are the right lyrics, but my hope is that they are. There is violence, sad death scenes that I did not expect, idle dance sequences, and some over-the-top acting. Bandai, I just wanted to build model kits. I don't know why I enjoyed this so much. Episode 3 has to probably be my favorite, just because it has really intricate shooting sequences. School president is a badass, and her intensity alone makes this entire thing a fun watch. But since half this video is already going to me just talking about Girl Gun Lady, I need to get back on track. Honestly though, underrated in my opinion. Should be hyped more. Even if you have no interest in the kits, I recommend giving the YouTube series a try. It was quite a fun watch. The model kits I got were Bianca and Daisy, because I liked their designs the most. I believe there are currently 4 commanders, plus an assortment of guns in different styles. Most of the guns appear to be different colorizations of each other, but I'm not 100% sure on their construction because I haven't gotten any yet. That being said, my initial impression was the flexibility of the torso seems lacking, as in there's no flexibility, and the joint for the hands seems to be a bit weak. So I'd recommend watching that if you switch hands often, that or glue the joint pieces. It's easy enough to fix. The only other complaint I had was on the feet. This piece in particular, it doesn't bend very far, and I already broke it once because I accidentally moved the feet too much. The kits are easy to sit on the shelf and can stand on their own. They do, however, come with a basic stand, and they seem to support other types of stand with the circle peg. This was a super easy kit to build. It was not as much time invested versus a Kotobukiya kit. The legs and arms are very easy to build. They are constructed of a few simple joints and whole parts. Considering that, the arms and legs can pop off easy if you aren't paying attention. I think the sticker details are about as good as current standard Gundam kits. They are utilized well and placed nicely. The eyes on these particular kits are stickers, but they are attached to a separate piece that's inserted into the face, so it makes it easier to paint if you decide to go that route. Overall, I enjoyed the kits, but at the price point for a basic model, after shipping and import fees, it may not be as much interest to most builders. I would highly recommend these kits if you're new to building these types of models, or just want something quick to build that actually looks pretty good. I'm interested to see how these work with the model guns, but I most certainly lack on shelf space for anything large at the moment, so I guess I need to make a trip to IKEA first. Anyway, that's it for my review on these. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you watching.